Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. Hi, I'm Bertrand. This video is part 2 in our series, The Complete Guide to Using Samsung Phones and Tablets. In this video, we will show you how to use your touchscreen and apps. So let's get started. Let's start by examining the home screen. Now, the home screen is everything that you see on the screen now. You have 3 components of the home screen. You have the home screen, and then you have icons or apps, and then you have the navigation tray at the bottom. To activate apps, just tap. To select an app, tap and hold. Then choose your selection. To move an app to a different location, tap, hold, and drag. Then drop. To remove an app, tap and hold, then press remove. To add an app, swipe up from the bottom, select your app, then tap add to home screen. To navigate through different home screens, swipe either left or right. To customize the home screen, tap and hold, then navigate through or choose which home screen you want to use. To delete a home screen, tap and hold, then choose delete. To add a home screen, tap and hold, scroll over, then hit the plus sign. The navigation tray consists of 3 options. You have the recent. When you tap on it, it will show you your recent apps. You have the home. When you tap on it, it will take you back home. And then you have the back. When you tap it, it will take you back. You can zoom in on an image by double tapping to increase it, or double tapping to decrease it. Or you can take your index finger and thumb and pinch to zoom while touching the screen. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value, please give us a like, tap that subscribe button, ring the bell to get our next video when it comes out, comment, and share. Now, if you like this video, you might like this one up here, or please come back for part 3. I'm Bertrand Techman. See you next time.